Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to charge all of these objects in one simple location. Instead of having all kinds of wires all over the place, this is an easy to use multi-charging station. So let's get started. I purchased this product off of Amazon for under $30. This is the base, and these are the power cords. Now that everything is plugged in, let's place our objects on the charger. Everything fits perfectly. You'll know that the charger is charging your devices because the blue light will turn on. Well, I hope this has been helpful and has helped you in organizing all of your devices.